Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on our little brick repair project. You can follow this project on our website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of our projects. This will have some before, during, and afters. These are going to get a couple durings. We got these guys cleaned out. Now I'm going to get the veneers that I need, trim those guys perfectly to match in each one of these spaces. I've already got the grout color matched and ready, so we should be good to go. I got about 35 of these to replace. So once I get putting these guys in and finishing the tuck pointing, I'll shoot some more videos. Thanks for watching. Jade Alpine, little brick restoration project. I'll see you guys on the next one.